Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. Finally gonna go pick up the bees. I am so excited. I've had them ordered since spring of last year. And today is the day. I was supposed to head out at about 6 o'clock, but I kind of overslept a little bit, so don't forgive me on that. But nah, it's all good. But yeah, so heading down to Toccoa, Georgia to Mountain Sweet Honey, and I'll bring you guys in there for that. But yeah, so I am going to be drinking some coffee on the way down, kind of getting woke up a little bit, but I will catch you guys here pretty soon once we get down there. Okay, so finally got the hives, got the hive set up, got the package bees in here, and this little guy right here was so excited whenever I got home that he could not contain himself. So I'm actually going to be going through and he's just going to be watching me, just hanging out. So anyways, let's get this thing underway. So first things first, let's pull that off. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna pull a couple of these frames out. You see what? Oh, you see Granddaddy Longleg?
Yeah, it's a baby.
So most of these frames right here, they're foundationless, or they're not foundationless, what am I saying? They have foundation in them, it's coated in beeswax, but I do have a frame of drawn home in here. That, shout out to Matt for trading some frames with me to give the queen a bit of a boost, so a bit of a head start.
Hey, look, over there, it's a baby Granddaddy Longleg.
It's a baby Granddaddy Longleg. Let's brush it off. Okay.
It was nice.
Huh?
That was nice.
He was a nice one. So I'm going to show you guys here a package of bees. So these are carnioleans. And so first thing we want to do, there's a couple things in here. There's a can of sugar water that sits right down in here. And then the queen is actually attached to this little strap right here in her cage. So you want to make sure you don't pry that off, or else the queen's just going to go doop and just drop right down in there. So first we're going to start by just pulling and prying this right here off, this little cover, and make sure you save this cover, because you don't want your bees flying out everywhere. So we're going to break this open right here.
Why are you breaking it?
I'm just trying to pry this up here. Scoot around this way. Man,
The bees are, some bees see now they're here.
there we go.
Some bees see now.
Is there?
Yeah. I see one right there.
Okay.
I want to see
So
them.
there's that, and you can see the
I want to see
jar of sugar syrup here. Want to see it, buddy?
Yeah.
See right there?
Yeah.
That's the jar of sugar syrup.
That's where the drink.
Yeah, that's where they drink from.
So that side can drink over here, and that one, there's two. Even on the top, and outside it could throw in. Hey, little bees. Be tiny. Hey, whoa, Daddy, I saw a bee flying out here. Look, the bee, I just saw the bee flying out.
So this right here is just a spray bottle of 1-to-1 sugar syrup. So before you really do anything, I want to get them to start grooming each other. So we're going to give them a light spritz.
Why do they have bubbles on their wings?
And then just to get these guys down, we're going to give them
I
just a
see
little
them
drop,
have
a little
bubbles
shake.
on their wings.
And I'm going to pull this jar of syrup out. And we're going to quickly just cover that back up. All right. I'm going to set that off to the side. All right. So next thing you want to do is actually go through here and get your corn out. Pull that up. Okay. And let's go ahead and bring her out. Seal them back up. And you guys can see right here, right in there is the queen. And she's being groomed by nurse bees and stuff like that right now. Nurse bees are kind of taking care of her on the inside of it there. But there's two sides to this queen cage. So you have this cork in right here is for a immediate release, and then this side right here, the candy side, you can see right here, that's for a extended release. So we're going to pull that cork out and let the bees kind of make their way in there to her, and let the bees kind of work their way out and slowly release the queen. So I'm going to set this down right here for just a second. I'm going to move our bees. All right, so queen's been put in, and bees are all inside there. So we're just gonna slowly kind of get these frames. Push back on in there. Excuse me, guys. What's up?
I know they're excited.
They're excited, buddy.
Yeah.
Are they excited about their home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that bee just fell down. But he didn't hurt. He flaps his wings. Hey, I see his wings.
You see their wings?
I see the wings. Shiny. The wings are oh, that was doing funny. That one was doing funny right there. He's doing funny.
So the other thing you want to make sure to do
Funny.
is make sure that you push these
Because he's so excited.
frames together.
Oh, get the thing, little buddy.
and keep them tight, because if you don't, they'll start building burr comb and everything
Daddy,
else out of it.
there's two bees on the ground.
Put it back on.
Where they don't were predators on the ground. These predators are going to eat the bees.
And we're good to go. So I'll come back and check on these guys here in about the next 5 days. So after about an hour and a half trip, I finally got them. They're here. The stars of the show, I should say. Anyways, no, but I actually ended up picking up 4 packages. So I went down to Mountain Sweet Honey, and they had some Italian bees there for sale. So I was like, I'm just gonna pick up another box. And it was a rather smaller colony, so I've got them here in this nuke box. I'm gonna get them up and going, give them a little bit of time to kind of build up a little bit, because they were a pretty small bunch. But anyways, they are absolutely going crazy. They're making orientation flights and everything else, and trying to get everything figured out right now, where the heck they are and what's going on. But yeah, 4 packages. It was a pretty easy install, not too bad. I'll come back here in about the next 5 days just to make sure that the queens have been let out. But I've got her still in the queen cages, but I pulled the cork for the candy side, so she'll have a slow release. But yeah, so they're here, they're ready to go, and I will probably move these hives a little bit closer together, probably down here on the single one, but we'll see. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check me out. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I do quite a bit of TikToking, so. But yeah, so thanks guys. It's been a heck of a day, and I'm ready to go and get a bite to eat. All right, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.